Welcome to our presentation on ErecPrime male performance, improving everyday life. Today, we are going to discuss an innovative product that is designed to help men experience better sexual performance and overall well-being. ErecPrime is a powerful blend of natural ingredients that work together to support optimal male sexual health. Its unique formulation is specially formulated to help improve the strength, duration, and satisfaction of an erection. In addition, ErecPrime can help increase energy levels, improve mood, and increase overall performance in the bedroom. So what makes ErecPrime an excellent choice for men looking to improve their ED and overall male performance? First and foremost, ErecPrime is backed by clinical research and is made from only the highest quality ingredients. This ensures that you are getting a safe and effective product that is backed by science. In addition to its science-based formula, ErecPrime also offers a user-friendly formula. The product can be easily incorporated into your daily routine, making it an easy choice for those who want to improve their sexual performance without the need for complex suffering. Finally, ErecPrime offers a money-back guarantee, meaning you have nothing to lose by trying the product. If you're not happy with the results, you can get your money back, no questions asked. In conclusion, ErecPrime is an exceptional choice for men who want to improve their male performance and overall well-being. With its unique blend of natural ingredients and scientifically proven formula, ErecPrime can help promote better erections, increased energy levels, and improved mood, all with ease of use and backed by a money-back guarantee. Try it today and experience the difference ErecPrime can make in your everyday life.